What's good, A+ fam? Welcome back to another vlog. Your voice cracked. Guys, it is 4th of July weekend. And we are headed to the pool. We're gonna enjoy some 4th of July fireworks, and we'll see you when we get there.
Next day.
All right, guys, so it is the next day. It is 4th of July, and we are headed to see the fireworks. We got here probably like 30 minutes before they start, just because we got here 30 minutes before they start. So we're on our way, and we're about to see these fireworks. They have like performances and bouncy houses and food trucks and all kinds of stuff, so it should be a great evening. So let's head on over to the fireworks. Look at this guy. Just looking like a dad. You look like a dad. Got the chairs. I got Layla's chair, or the kids' chair. Layla got her skates on. Santana got his skates with him. All right, let's make our way, guys.
Yeah, that was old. That was way back then. That was easy day. You got anything still around? Yeah, there we go. You remember that one? A lot of them stone.
With the skates? I got you.
I'm trying to light it for you, though. See the light? Get a snowball for Layla.
Black raspberry.
Alright guys, so that was our 4th of July weekend.
You should film because we're going to do fireworks at home.
I guess there's more. But if we don't film, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn that notification bell on so you'll be notified every single time we post a video. Stay tuned, we might be doing our own little fireworks at home.
Much later.
Alright y'all, so we did come outside. I got my phone flashlight showing you our little, we started some last night, but it started raining on us. But this is our little pack that we bought. So we about to blow these up real quick. There's a lot going on in the neighborhood still. It's about 10:30, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and do these because what's the point of having these waiting a whole year? You know what I mean? So we about to light these up. Layla got her hoverboard. It doesn't light. Oh! It's little?
Oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
That was good.
That was crazy.
I'm glad we weren't close.
Oh my god. All right, let's see.
This one don't really go nowhere.
Okay, I'm about to light this crazy one up. Okay. No, run. Okay.
That little thing did that.
Okay. All right then. All right, I'm gonna light this big one here.
Oh my gosh, I don't know if it's big. I don't know if it's big.
Zombie War. It says it shoots flaming balls. All right, y'all, I'm gonna light this one. Big one. If it shoots balls, I think we should scoot back.
Pew pew. Okay.
Last one.
Oh, it's a candle.
Girl, don't light that in your house. This one's called Little Monster. All right, let's do it. The last one. You're dead. Oh, come on. Oh, oh. Oh, okay, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Juneteenth. Let's go.
We in July.
Well, we celebrate, oh, July 10th, we celebrate Juneteenth every day, even on the 4th of July. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm closing out this video. Can you see me? I don't even know if you can see me. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.
Deuces!
Peace and love.
Bye, besties.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I didn't know I had two hats on. Put this on my head.
Bye, besties.
I had no idea this was on my head.
Bye, besties.
We'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.
Deuces. Bye.